Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your StanStore affiliate settings step by step clearly. To update your StanStore affiliate settings, start by logging into your StanStore account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. From the settings menu, select the affiliates option. You will now see your current affiliate settings. If you need to update your affiliate link, locate the section labeled Affiliate Link or Referral Link. Enter your new affiliate link in the designated field. Next, review the commission structure. Adjust the commission percentage if necessary by entering your preferred rate. Make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. After saving, check to ensure your changes are reflected. If you want to add new affiliates, find the section labeled Manage Affiliates. Click on Add New Affiliate and enter the necessary information. You might need to provide their email address and set their commission rate. Once all information is entered, click Add Affiliate to finalize the addition. To remove an affiliate, locate their name in the affiliate list. Click the Delete or Remove option next to their name. Confirm the deletion to ensure they are no longer associated with your account. Finally, consider reviewing your affiliate settings regularly to keep them up to date. You have now successfully updated your StanStore affiliate settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.